Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss about the another phylum is chordata. Chordata. Chordata levels of organization is Archon system level of organization. Archon system level of organization, and coelom is they are eucoelomate animals. Eucoelomate animals, and their symmetry is bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry, and circulatory system is closed type of circulatory system. Circulatory system is closed type of circulatory system. Closed type of circulatory system. Next, a fundamental characteristic features of chordata is a fundamental characteristic features of chordata is first one, notochord. Notochord. Second one is nerve cord. Third one is pharyngeal gill slits. And fifth one is post-anal tail. Pharyngeal gill slits and post-anal tail. There are four fundamental characters are present in the chordates. Okay, na? Notochord, nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits. Last one is post-anal tail is presented. See the diagram. Post-anal tail. Chordata characters are four characters are presented. See the diagram. Four general characters are presented. This is the notochord. Notochord. This is the nerve cord. Nerve cord. This is the pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits. This is the post-anal tail. This part is called as post-anal tail is presented. This is the general characters of chordates. First one is nerve cord, notochord, post-anal tail. Fourth one is pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits. See the board. First one, notochord. This is the notochord. This notochord, it is stiff and flexible and rod-like structure. It is a stiff and flexible and rod-like structure. Stiff, flexible, rod-like structure. Stiff, flexible, rod-like structure. This is the notochord. Okay, notochord, it is the first part of the endoskeleton. First part of the endoskeleton to appears in the embryo. Okay, this is the notochord. Notochord is a rod and flexible like structure. It is the first part of the endoskeleton who appears in the embryo. Next, in vertebrates, notochord is replaced by vertebral column. Notochord is replaced by vertebral column. Backbone is presented. Okay. Next, notochord, it is located below the nerve cord. Below the nerve cord. And last point, notochord persistent throughout life in persist throughout life in cyclostomata, branchiostoma, and jawed fishes. A fishes may be present. Okay, notochord persists throughout life in cyclostomata, branchiostoma, and jawed fishes may presented. This is the notochord. Second part is called as nerve cord. Second one is the nerve cord. Okay, now see the board. This is the nerve cord. Nerve cord, it is located above the notochord. Located above the notochord. Okay, nerve cord, it is a single. See the board. It is a single and hollow. Hollow का मतलब empty space is presented. It is a single and hollow like structure. And single and hollow like structure. In many species, in most of the species, it is differentiated into an embryo to form a anterior part brain का convert करता है and posterior part spinal cord का convert करता है. Okay ना? In most of the species, next point. In most of the species, it is differentiated into anterior part is brain and posterior part is spinal cord. Posterior part is spinal cord. See the board. This is the anterior part. This is the posterior part. In many aquatic species, it is differentiated into an anterior part is brain and a posterior part is spinal cord. Next one, pharyngeal gill slits. Next character is pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits. Third one is pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits. They are a series of lateral perforation in the wall of the pharynx. They are a series of lateral perforation in the wall of the pharynx. Okay, now here see the board. This is the gill slits. The gill slits are they are a series of lateral perforation located lateral side. Pharynx lateral side, they are located at, gill slits are located at either side of the pharynx. Lateral का मतलब either side. Okay, they are located at either side of the pharynx. They are a series of 1, 2, 3 series of lateral perforation in the wall of the pharynx. What is the main functions of pharyngeal gill slits? Pharyngeal gill slits, it helps in removes the water flows through the pharyngeal gill slits. It helps in removes the water flow through the pharyngeal gill slits. Through the pharyngeal gill slits. Next one is post-anal thigh. You see the board. This is the end part is called as, this part is called as post-anal thigh. Last one is post-anal tail. Post-anal tail, it is located at posterior part of the anus. It is located at posterior part of the anus. This part is called as anterior part. This is the posterior part. It is located at posterior part of the anus. It is located at posterior part of the anus. In many aquatic species, okay na, it helps in locomotion. In many aquatic species, it helps in locomotion. Okay na, in terrestrial animals such as kangaroos, it helps in balancing the organism. It helps in balancing the organism. This is the post-anal type. This is the general characters of chordata. Okay, now how many characters are presented? 4 fundamental main general characters. 4 characters are presented. First one is notochord. Second one is nervochord. Third one is gill slits. Fourth one is post-anal type. First one is notochord. Notochord is the stiff, flexible and rod-like structure. Okay, it is in many notochord. It is in vertebrates. Notochord is replaced by the vertebral column is presented in vertebrates. Notochord persistent throughout life in Branchiostoma, Cyclostomata and the jawed fishes. Next one is nervochord. Nervochord is located above the notochord. It is a single and hollow-like structure. Most of the species, it is differentiated into anterior part brain and the posterior part is spinal cord. Nervochord is the central nervous system. Single and hollow-like structure. Pharyngeal slits, they are a series of lateral perforation in the wall of the pharynx. It removes the water flow through the gill slits and post-anal tail. It is located at posterior part of the anus. In many aquatic species, it helps in locomotion. In terrestrial animals, it acts as a balance in the organism. This is the general characters of chordates.